I've been keeping little Sable stalled, so I thought it'd be good for her to get a little socializing in. With all these big uns. You're big here, Chili. Snort. He just thinks he's all that. Chili. Oh, Lordy. Little Sable's like, oh, I don't know what to do with all these big horses. I've been keeping her stalled because I want her color to be as good as it can be by the show in May. Don't want her to get in the sun. Come on, you guys. Run, play. Woo, 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 woo. Nala, don't get too excited now, girlfriend. See, of course, Chili commenced the thumping on little old Sable the second they got in here. Now she wants to follow him around like a puppy. You get him, boy.